Welcome to COVID Q&A, your questions, our answers. Today I'm sitting with Dr. Gary Raskob, who is the Dean of the Hudson College of Public Health and the Board Chair for the OKC County Health Department. Today he will answer one of our frequently asked questions. The question today for you, Dr. Raskob, is if masks are so important, why aren't they required everywhere?
Thank you, Darcy, and a pleasure to be with you. Masks are very important, and of all the things we're doing, they're probably, again, the single most important thing we can do, in addition to social distancing, to prevent the transmission of COVID. And in many settings and institutions, they are required. So our policy on the OU Health Sciences Center is to require all individuals to wear masks at all times when in public and moving about the campus and in meetings and so on. And many other organizations are doing that, healthcare settings and so on. I think the reason people don't want to require it is in our nature as independent individuals and not wanting to be dictated to by our government, I think, basically, and or other authorities. And I think that, and that is fine. And of course, we're an independent people, and that's served us very well. But that means that personal responsibility then is going to be all the more important here. You know, often the reason we have to require things is because some people choose not to do the right thing. And here, then, if masks are not going to be required, we're asking individuals to take personal responsibility for protecting your fellow community citizen by wearing a mask so that you will not transmit the virus to them. And that's a great thing for us to do. You know, the Oklahoma Standard to me means that we take care of each other. And Oklahoma has a great reputation for doing that in times of emergency, like tornadoes and other events. And so let's apply that to our regular day-to-day activities in our community. Let's protect our fellow community member by meeting our responsibility to be thoughtful about their health. Other people may be vulnerable and have a much higher risk from COVID than we may have, but by wearing a mask, we protect them and we meet our responsibility. But I think it's just in our nature to be independent and free as Americans, and we don't want to be dictated to by our government.
Well, thank you so much for sharing, and thank you all for tuning into this week's COVID Q&A.